Hello out there, my name is Caitt and welcome back to my channel and happy first day of winter. Today I'm going to be showing you basically my real everyday makeup tutorial look, but there is no makeup involved. So it's also a real no makeup tutorial. I don't know what I'm going to call this. I don't know if I'm making any sense. But a few weeks ago, probably a few months ago by now, I made a video on my everyday makeup look. And that was a very full out look for me. Like if I'm going to really do my makeup, that's basically all I'll do. The only other thing I'll add is probably some eyeshadow. But that's the most that I would do on an everyday basis. And in that video, I think I also said that I don't wear makeup every day. So basically what I'm going to show you is when I feel like not wearing any makeup at all, this is what I do to make myself look more awake. But this is going to be the quickest makeup tutorial that you will ever watch. So since it is winter, if you would like to put some lotion on your face before you start this, you can. I absolutely did. And I also put some lip exfoliator on, which you can watch my my winter lip care routine and see basically what I do for that. But the first step, after you have applied your skincare products, so this is the start of the makeup process, is just to curl your eyelashes. It's very quiet.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
Now I'm not sure if you can tell yet, I definitely can. With my eyelashes curled, this side of my face looks more alive and this side looks more tired. I don't know if you can tell, but that made a huge difference for me. So I'm just gonna do the other eye. And then we'll move on to step 2 out of 3. Alright, so the second step, and I guess the middle step, is just to brush out my eyebrows, which I don't do anything to them. They are naturally this thin and this shape. But sometimes the hairs can just kind of grow, not grow, but after sleeping, it can kind of go in every direction. So there's a tiny difference. Again, I'm showing you the difference. This is just after I brushed it out and this is before. So I guess it just makes it look more not uniform. It just makes it look a little nicer and put together. I like to draw the attention to my eyes, which being able to do that without makeup is pretty awesome. Now the the third and final step is just to apply some, this is Burt's Bees lip balm, and this is the strawberry one. Yep, strawberry moisturizing lip balm, and I also use this in my winter lip care routine. I always try to talk when I'm doing my lips, but I can't. I don't know if you could see a difference from the beginning. I'll try to put in a clip from before, as a before and after. Yeah, that's all I have to say for this video. Remember to like and subscribe to be notified whenever I upload it. Check out my Society 6 store. It is linked down below. And I actually will see you next week because I have one more video for 2018 and then I'm going into my videos for 2019. I'll see you next time. Bye!